What's up guys, Meredith with Extreme Terrain, and today we're checking out the WeatherTech Digital Fit front and rear floor liners in black, fitting all 2018 to 2023 double cab auto transmission Toyota Tacomas. Now the inside of your truck can get super messy from mud, spills, water, dirt, sand, or whatever else that you and your passengers or even your pets are tracking into your Tacoma. Now this set will be a well-built option to hold up to whatever may try to get into your floors, or onto your floors should I say, and do a great job of covering up any existing imperfections for a more refined appearance if you want to elevate the interior of your Tacoma. Now these will feature a molded, or as it says in the name, digital fit design that will cover mostly every inch of your factory carpets to protect them. Now the sides will be super high, as you can see, to protect the entire footwell, even spanning onto the door sill area to eliminate any chance of things getting in between those cracks. Now each mat will also have some channeling up top and a puddle tray down at the bottom to make sure that any dirt or liquids that get onto the mat keep on the mat, so you can clean it and pop it right back in. Now speaking of that, one of the best features here is that these mats in the front will pop onto your factory posts to prevent them from moving or sliding around, causing any annoyance to you or your passengers while you're driving, or even just getting in and out of the truck. These will be made of a strong HDTE material, which is a high-density polyethylene, which is also known for being super strong, flexible, and resilient, making it a perfect choice for material for such a high-traffic area. And the mats will also have that black finish to them, which will match with virtually any interior that you pair with it. This set will come in at about $250, making these more of a premium set for floor liners. Now compared to other options, I think the huge benefit from these comes within the design and the exclusivity to the year, transmission, and size of the truck, allowing a super clean fit. Now the material and the channeling and design of the floor mat itself is also on the premium side, which is well worth the investment if you want a floor mat that's going to hold up and not having you questioning your purchase for years to come. Now install will be one of the easiest ones you can get, as you could probably assume for a floor mat, getting a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you a total of 5 minutes to click these in and get them into position. Now speaking of the install, one of our customers here has put these into their Tacoma and is going to walk you through the fitment and what you can expect when putting these into your truck. So that is going to wrap it up for me. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
Howdy, we're working with the 2022 Toyota Tacoma WeatherTech floor mats. We've got the digital fit, and on the left we've got the driver's side, the right we've got the passenger side, and the rear we've got the single full rear weather mat back here. For the front ones, they do have on the back of them a little icon that tells you where it goes, along with the words that say front right, or on the other it says front left. So you got front left here, front left, got the icon for front left, and the other one just front right, got the icon for front right. So for front left, what we've got is 2 turn knobs here, one on the left and one on the right. Both of these turn knobs are just going to be turned counterclockwise, and then the floor mat itself will pull up. Same ordeal here, we've got 2 turn knobs, one on the left, one on the right. Both of these again counterclockwise, and the floor mat just pulls straight up. In the back, we just have single floor mats. The driver's side is just going to slide right in. Watch out for the pedals in the front. You'll want to slide and tuck it underneath those. Push it forward. If you have the electric seats, you'll want to probably move those back as far as you can. Give you easier access to get these in place. And you'll want to line up these little slots with those turn knobs. Turn it clockwise, make sure it lines up, press down, turn it clockwise. Now your floor mat's in place. Same ordeal. Slide the front end in first. Slide the front end in first here. Get it tucked up in there. If If your passenger seat's farther forward, mine is not power, go ahead and grab that, slide it back. And if you need to pull it forward, do the same when you return it to the original position. Same ordeal with this one. Line up your slots with your turn knobs. Press down, turn clockwise. Press down, turn clockwise. Floor mat's in place. Nothing else needed. So for the rear seats, what you'll want to do is bring that forward. You'll want to make sure that your notches are facing forward towards your seats, your front seats. The rear portion of this is the long, flat portion. You'll make sure that goes towards the back. Just tilt it down, let it kind of fall into place. Bring that underneath, bring the two edges around. There you go. Those should sit squarely over the covers for the front portion of your seats. And do the same thing. Bring the front portion underneath. And just slide it into place. It should sit flush. You shouldn't have any ridges back here underneath. It doesn't tuck in underneath any of this middle latch. You have a bolt here, so don't try to shove this piece underneath. It just sits flush right in front there. No other issues there.
So that's going to wrap it up for my review and the install of these WeatherTech Digital Fit front and rear floor liners in black, fitting all 2018 to 2023 double cab auto transmission Toyota Tacomas. And remember, for all things Tacoma, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.